Have you ever wondered why polar bears are white? Are they born white or did nature make them this way to hide in the snow? Look, polar bears aren't actually white, their skin is black and their hair is transparent. Yes, transparent. There is no white pigment in a polar bear's hair. Their hollow hairs allow light to enter and scatter it in all directions to our eyes. That light appears white, which is why the polar bear looks white, but from the inside it is a heat-absorbing machine. Its black skin absorbs the sun's heat, and a thick layer of fat called blubber traps that heat inside the body. Now let's talk about evolution. Polar bears evolved from brown bears about 400,000 to 600,000 years ago. When the Arctic began to get colder, the bears that could store more fat, swim more, and camouflage in the snow were the ones that survived. Gradually the brown bear became the polar bear, but the polar bear's real superpower is its biological system. A polar bear's liver is so toxic that if a human were to eat it they could die. This is because it contains extremely high levels of vitamin A. Their paws don't slip on ice because they have tiny rough bumps underneath natural snowshoes. And the most shocking fact, polar bears struggle more with heat than with cold. If a polar bear runs too much it can overheat. That's why they are slow, calculating, and patient hunters. The polar bear isn't just an animal, it's a climate indicator. If the polar bear can't survive, understand that the Arctic is breaking down and we might be next in line.